What'd you say? Hi, pretty girl. Hi. Are you having fun? Uh-huh, you are? You like your little activity zone? Yeah, Miss Stacy and Peyton loaned that to you. You're going to have to tell them thank you. Yeah. Yeah, Peyton's too big for it. She's going to let you have a turn now. She's so sweet, isn't she? Is Peyton your friend? Uh-huh, she's your friend? Mommy loves you. Yes, I do. I love my baby girl. Hiccups and all. Yeah. Yeah. You're so pretty. Yes, you are. Where's your daddy? Huh? Where's your daddy? Is your daddy at work? Did daddy go to work? Don't eat your fingers. You don't have to eat Kiera. Are you hungry? Are you hungry? Are you wanting a bottle already? Huh? Are you wanting a bottle already? You want mommy fix you a bottle? I guess not if you're not answering me. Yeah? Did you go pee-pee in your diaper? Did you go pee-pee? Did you go pee-pee? Huh? Do you need a clean diaper? You silly girl. We'll get you a diaper.